What's the meaning of Antonio López de Santa Anna? Antonio López de Santa Anna. 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 Antonio López de Santa Anna.
Antonio López de Santa Anna was a Mexican politician and military leader who played a crucial role in the country's early history. He served as President of Mexico several times and is known for his aggressive and authoritarian rule. Despite leading successful military campaigns, he also suffered a number of major defeats, including the loss of Texas to the United States. Santa Anna's legacy continues to be debated, with some seeing him as a hero and others as a villain.